Hi, good morning, guys. So, welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday, the 12th of December, 8:40 Central European time, which is 7:40 Central UK time. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, and stay up to date with us. So yesterday we were calling, I've just been checking now, we were calling about some of the dogs. Mainly Floki looked quite good, and Ave looked quite good, even though the market was kind of not looking fantastic in the morning. But that 4 hour, where everything looked good on the 4 hour, it started pulling the market around. So let's go over to, yep, this is our total market cap. So this is the whole crypto sphere all in one place. And we're still bullish on the monthly. I'm nervous about it. I mean, we're doing a good push on the 3 month. We're just starting to make a higher high there on the indicator. We're making a higher high on the 3 month indicator there, but the monthly looks like it could roll, but it's still bullish. That's what we need to focus on. Secondly, the weekly, we had this, we've had like this pullback. So we're still technically at this moment in time where the price is right now, we're going to turn into a sell on the weekly. So if we hit this by Sunday, we could have another bit of a sell off, maybe attack this again. But what we can have is if price keeps pushing and pushing and pushing and making a bit more of a move, this will turn back into a buy, and then the monthly and the weekly will be a buy. And then over the weekend, we'll be looking for those opportunities where we can go long and make some percents. Over onto the daily, I mean, we're just grinding, aren't we? We've been grinding, grinding, grinding around this area, and we started. Where was it? We had all this divergence here. I said I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back to the 30 EMA, and we more or less did. I mean, if this was going straight up there, it would have done. So this is one thing we need to bear in mind. We kind of called this. We've had a pullback retest, good reversal candle here, I suppose. And then we've had another push. And now we're pushing. We've not got a lot of energy in it. So maybe there's a bit of fear in the market. But when people start putting the shorts in around here again, around this level, this is when price might actually push through that and go for it. So short time frame, shorter time frame, the 4 hour. We've had this push, this push. We were getting divergence on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour whip trend, we had divergence, which is one of our students called out. He said he's taken along on Pepe, and he did. And I think he made 7% in a short amount of time. But we've got like divergence going on along here. And then he said, the 4 hour divergence on whip trend, 1 hour relative price were looking quite good for the bounce, and he took it. And yeah, he banked the percent. But now where we were getting to, we're at the top of the bands here. We look like we're rolling into a sell on the 4 hour, but it could just be getting above that. Could be getting above that daily. So what we could have here is we could have price make this move. We could have a pullback to a retest around this line that would continue there. And we could go again because this 4 hour will get above and stuck maybe and get stuck above the daily, and the daily will then start pulling up like this. So that's something for us to bear in mind. Moving over to the blue chips, we have, yeah, one thing we called yesterday was Lend, which is AVE. And it was the reason we called it is because it was stronger than everything else. And then when I looked over here, it was like, okay, yeah, you know what? It's turning into a buy again, and there's quite good strength here. And then, yeah, lo and behold, I mean, that was one of the major movers yesterday. She's 24. Oh, my word. What? From yesterday, 22 to 20%, 20% yesterday. Amazing. So what have we got right now? So it looks like Bitcoin is still a buy, but it looks like it's going to underperform. Yesterday I was saying it was going to overperform because everything it was pointing up against and everything. It did. It went from like 90 something to 101 in absolutely no time at all. And then Ethereum, mixed bag. Litecoin, mixed bag. BNB, mixed. XRP mixed. ADA looks like it could outperform on the daily, so we've got to keep an eye on that over the next days. It's just turning into a buy down here, so there's not an amazing lot of strength, but it could just because of the sell-off it's maybe had. Yeah, no, it's pretty good, isn't it? From here to here, though, maybe it's due its bounce, so it's trying to push. Who else? Neo mixed. V-Chain looks like it could turn it into a buy, but it's an underperformer, underperformer, underperformer on Quant. Band looks like it might try and have a push. Link looks like it might try and have a push. Solana a bit mixed. AVAX a bit mixed. That's near. That's comp. That's Atom. And then this is Lend, Ave, which looks like it's rolling over itself, but still outperforming everything else. So that looks pretty good. Yeah, Bitcoin underperformer turning into a sell. For me, I pointed out yesterday, I haven't saved it. We've got all this. So all this, I think I did. No. Yeah, I think I did overlay it yesterday in the video, but you can see all this. For example, for all this is this, yeah, one just around in the top band area. So this was all happening here. Then it went down, and then I said it needs to break this level here. And if you can see where that level is, it's just below, just above the zero, isn't it? So the zero's there. So it's kind of had a bit of a reaction here, and it's got above it. So now what we need is it to come down and go again. On the 4 hour. Bitcoin underperform, Ethereum looking good, but underperform against most others. Litecoin looking good. BNB, no. XRP, no. Yes, it's a buy, but it's maybe an underperform against others. ADA looking good. Neo looking good. Neo looking good, yeah, against most things. There are things that are outperforming. I can see them here. So if you look here, the purple coming down. So this means Neo is a sell compared to Band. And it shows it's a sell compared to ADA and it's a sell compared to Link. So if we go and look at those, yeah, that's looking beautiful. Link against everything else is a buy. Band against everything else apart from Link is a buy. So Link could be your over, your performer the next days. And there's this strength here. I like this. Link to $100. Anyone? It'd be nice if it hit 1,000, but we'll see. Yeah. So Neo, VeChain, Quant, Band, Link. Who else? Yeah, Solana mixed. Solana, AVAX, near mixed. Comp, yeah, buy, but against a few of the others, which we've already pointed out. Atom and Ave, buy. So the 4 hours looking good. Ave and Link are looking good on the strength on relative price on the 4 hours. And then basically, if we look at who's underperforming, you can see all the things that pull down here on everything. You can see it's Band, ADA, and Link. So those are maybe the ones you want to be in for whip trend trading. And then you've got the link showing that strength there, and you can see Band and ADA popping up as well. So 4 hour, let's remove the joins. Remove joins. With regards to, yeah, Ave, Link, Band, ADA are looking pretty good on the 4 hour. Moving over to the movers. What do we have here? So let's come out a bit. Okay, so fetch rolling could turn into a buy, but we're not there yet. Render mixed. Inge looks like it could roll into a buy, but we're not there yet. I'm not confirmed. Cass, Tau, Sui. Sui looks good. Yeah. And then yeah, Sui. Is that Sui there? Double check. Inge, Sui. I could do those on different things, but they're on the same block, aren't they? I think that blue is actually Sui. Yes, so Sui's got the strength there on the daily. Poly, GRT looks like it could roll, but not there yet, not there yet, not there yet. Floki yesterday, let's see what that did yesterday because that's one of the ones I said. So yesterday, Floki only 3% from there. Okay. Why are you not going all the way over? Ah, but that's the zero. Okay, yeah, so Floki 3%. Let's just see it on the 15-minute chart where we did yesterday. So from what day are we on? Thursday. So from yesterday, that would be the morning there. Dun, dun, dun. Where did we get to? Let's have a quick look. Where did we get to on that grand scale of things? So Wednesday morning. We got to what about 8%, around 8%. Um, yeah, we got to around 8% on Floki, which is not amazing, was it? Uh, yeah. Okay. Anyway, so this is daily. Yes, let's go back to the daily chart. Ah, this was it. It was looking like this, wasn't it? Saturday, Wednesday. Da, 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 da. What did I call that? It must have been the 4 hour. Anyway, sorry to waffle, guys. So the daily, so yep, GRT rolling, nope, nope, nope. Floki train, bit of a mixed bag here. Shiba, no. Doge train to go itself, but I'm confused here. And then Pepe, let's keep an eye on that. It looks like it might roll over. But there's some strength there in Pepe, not an amazing strength. Also keep an eye on comp. Dropping down to the 4 hour. Yes, look at Sui there. Beautiful. Um, so we are above the daily, aren't we? That's one of the things. Yeah, okay, got you. I'm going to copy that, I think. So where are we at? Fetch. Fetch is a buy, sell against those three, which is the ones we've highlighted, the movers on the others. Render, train, it's best to do something. Inge doing something, but not performing better than Band, Ada, and Link. Cass, mixed bag. Tau is a buy against most. Sui is looking really strong. It's still going. Polly, yeah, Polly mixed, mixed. Buy against most, buy against most. Pepe, a sell against most, might roll over itself. Doge mixed. Shiba is a buy, but it's mixed on the performance wise. And Shiba and Floki, yeah, not doing a lot anyway. Okay, so let's have a look at focus. Let's try and remember where we're at. So let's do a Sui USDT, Sui Tether. Yeah, let's have a look at this. This should be looking good on these lower time frames. Yeah, nice push, push, beautiful bull over here. Let's see where that is. Yeah, look at all this, all pointing up, beautiful. Where are we? Okay, let's go you. 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 Um, Okay, beautiful, beautiful buy here. Crypto market turning into a buy. It was a sell against most of these. Now it's overperforming, but it looks like Link there is just doing that shockwave, isn't it? And here again, now she's pretty toppy here. She's got power. This is what I like. She's got power here, but a lot of divergence here. So even if she's not going to pull back to the median, which I expected to pull back to somewhere around here, even if she's not going to do that because of the power in it and the excitement and people jumping in, um, these are outperforming at the moment, and that's because she's just going sideways, 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 and then Link, Ada, and Band are going up. Who else did we point out? Let's have a look. Who looked obvious? So Ada, Band, and Link. Let's have a look at those on the focus. Oh, secret stuff. So Ada USDT. Yeah. ADA USDT. Okay. Looking good. Looking good here. Yeah. Looking good here against most apart from this. So it's telling me that Band and Link are going to outperform. She's looking good in the short term. Go to your 1 hours and search that one. Band USDT. Where are we at there? Excuse me, having a drink of coffee. Band, yes, looking good on the 4 hour. 1 hour looking good. Beautiful. This is a beautiful buy signal down here, guys. Beautiful on the 4 hour. Probably waiting for this to happen. This kind of happened over here. It's a buy, 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 buy. That was a beautiful move. Back above the $2. And then Link, this should look exceptional. Yeah, okay. So yes, back above 28 bucks. Wow. Oh, she's going for it. She's going for it. Looking good on the 4 hour, looking good on the da-da-da-da. We need it to keep pushing. Otherwise, we'll have divergence here, but she's looking good. Looking good. Looking good against everything. Link, yeah. So go down to the start sniping on these lower time frames, guys. Um, yeah. Wow. Cool. Cool. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop this now and I'll release it as soon as I get back and it's done processing. Trade safe, keep safe, like and subscribe, and any questions, please ask away in the comments or in the Discord.